Hi, my lovely people. Welcome to Daily Job Updates channel. If you're a first time viewer to my channel, please subscribe and watch this video. Okay. Today in this video, I'm going to show you about one of the best work from home job opportunity for you guys. You may be fresher, have completed your degree, or if you're working professional, or if you're a college degree student, or you are just teaching to any students. You can easily do this job from your home, guys. I'm telling you. Okay. So without wasting much time, let's get to the job. Here, there is one company called Spire Lab. Okay, this is a government certified and this is mainly comes under the government body. Okay, as you can see. Okay, the company name is Spire Lab. They are mainly hiring for the position of content writer. Okay, they are mainly hiring for the position of content writer. What you need to do in this job is, see, you just need to write about they will be giving about some topic. You need to just elaborate and write it. Okay, for this job you don't need to apply your brain, guys. I'm telling you, you can just simply just cut copy paste. You can do this and earn money every month. Okay, I'm telling you. So what are the skills requirement for this job is, first is you should know the basics of computer. Okay, you should know how to operate computer and you should know how to type in the computer. That's it. Next is having a degree in English language related course in program is plus. See, if you have completed your degree either in English, or if you don't complete it, that's not a problem. If you're in the degree, if you have just learned the English subject also, you can apply. Otherwise, if you are not non-relevant to this field also, not a problem. You can apply to this job opening. Okay. Must have their laptop and desktop at home. See, the thing is, here you should have at least your laptop or you should have a computer in your home. That is very mandatory, guys. Okay. You cannot work in the mobile. I'm telling you. You can work, but I don't know whether they will allow for you or not. Must have good knowledge of Google Documents. You should know how to edit, write the content in the Google document, as well as I'm telling you, as well as you should know how to prepare the documents. Okay, should have good internet connectivity. You should have good internet. That's it. Experienced persons will get high priority. See, if you are having at least 6 months of experience, 1 year of experience, 10 months of experience, also there are high chance of getting selected for this job. Okay, here they have clearly mentioned the job location. This can be done from anywhere. You may be from the north state of India, south state of India. You may be from the east, west, any part of this country, guys. If you are just sitting in home, you can easily work from your home. Okay. Qualifications. Look at this. Undergraduate, if you are studying. Okay, if you are graduated, or PG, if you have completed your PG, you may be from any degree, guys. You may be any degree. Okay, if you are 10th, 12th fail also, you apply. Not a problem, guys. I'm telling you, if you know English, how to read, write, you apply. Fresher and experience both can apply to this job opening. And they have mentioned the basic remuneration is 10,000 per month. See, every month you are going to get 10k. That is for sure. Every month without doing anything, guys. That too, if you just work for 2 or 3 hours, you are going to get 10,000. Look at this, how hefty amount is this. Job description and responsibilities. What you are going to do. A set of topics and rough write-ups will be given to you. See, you'll be given some writing about animals or write about orange fruit. Like this, they will be giving you some, just giving the example. Okay. Like this, they will be giving you some topics. You need to just read about. You need to just write about them. Okay. The task will be present to that content in a story format. See, you should write that content in a story format. Okay, that is very important. Good proficiency in English language to check the quality of writing provided. See, they will be checking your English. Okay, here if you don't know the English also, you can just go to the ChatGPT. If you just enter the topic name, it's going to give you complete content writing. Okay, story with the story, you can just copy paste, do this. Okay, and you can easily earn 10,000 per month every month. Okay, I'm telling you, the story must be presented in a format such that it's improvising to the common people. Okay, so how you should write the story is, it should be readable and understandable to the every people and even to the common people also. So every day you have to dedicate 2 to 3 years of writing. Here you will be maximum, guys. Maximum you will be working 2 to 3 hours. That's it. Interested candidate needs to go through the pilot task. Okay, first you will be given a basic sample task. Okay, if you select, if you clear that round, you will be selected for this job opportunity. Okay, selection process. Selection of the writer will happen through the pilot writing task related to this project. As I've already told you, they will be giving you sample content writing topic. If you clear that, you are going to get this job. Special note, the writer will not own the copyright. See, you will be not having any copyright. Next is, the writer should not share it or broadcast the original draft to any platform. See, once if you share the story to this platform, okay, to this company, you should not share the same content to any other platforms. Okay, that is the thing. Now I'm going to show you how to apply for this job opening. Okay, as I've already opened this job link. Okay, here this is a document, Google document form. You just need to enter your, okay, I'm entering my email ID. You just need to enter your email ID. Once after entering, you need to fill your first name, last name, as well as DOV, everything you need to enter. Okay, and here you can mention your any native language. Okay, if you are from Maharashtra, mention Marathi or Hindi, or if you are from Karnataka, mention Kannada, or if you are from any, if you are from Telugu, mention, if you are from Telangana, mention Telugu. Okay, so like this, you can mention any of your language, and you need to mention your study details and everything. If you are having experience, you need to mention that, and what are the designation you are going to apply. So once after everything, okay, here it's going to take submit form. Okay, I have already applied to this job opening. Last link is, look at this, your latest CV resume link. You need to, first you need to create a link for your resume, guys. You can do that by Google Drive. Okay, so you need to paste your resume link and you can apply to this job opening. Okay, so this was the job opening for you guys. If you like this job, please mention me in the comment section. Like, okay, I'm going to bring you more job openings for the upcoming days. Okay, have a good day. Bye.